Carved candle holders offer a unique and enchanting way to elevate your Halloween decor, transforming simple materials into glowing works of art. Imagine the subtle flicker of candlelight dancing inside a meticulously hollowed wooden or soft stone holder, casting intricate silhouettes of bats, spiders, and other classic motifs onto nearby walls and surfaces. The magic lies in the craftsmanship and creativity that goes into each piece. And with the right tools and a bit of patience, you can create candle holders that become the centerpiece of your seasonal celebration. To begin, selecting the right material is essential. Soft woods like pine, cedar, or basswood are ideal for carving, as they yield easily to shaping tools while still maintaining enough structure to support a candle. Soft stones such as alabaster or soapstone are also excellent choices. Their smooth texture and gentle resistance make them perfect canvases for detailed etching. Once you've chosen your base, ensure it's appropriately sized to hold a candle safely, leaving enough thickness to carve motifs without compromising stability. Carbide burrs are the tool of choice for this project. These rotary tools, designed for precision and durability, allow you to hollow out the center of your holder and carve intricate designs into its surface. Start by using a larger burr to carefully hollow out the center, creating a cavity for the candle. Work slowly, removing small amounts of material at a time, and regularly check the depth to avoid breaking through the sides. The goal is to create a spacious interior that will allow light to shine through your carved designs, illuminating them from within. With the cavity complete, shift your focus to the exterior. Sketch your chosen Halloween motifs onto the surface of the holder with a pencil. Classic shapes like bats with outstretched wings, curling spiders dangling from their webs, or even jack-o'-lantern faces work wonderfully for this season. Using finer carbide burrs, begin etching along the outlines, carefully carving away material to create your designs. For a glowing effect, carve all the way through the holder in places, allowing candlelight to spill out and cast shadows. In other spots, you might choose to simply etch the surface, creating a textured look that catches the light in subtle ways. As you work, pay attention to the thickness of the remaining material around your motifs. If you carve too deeply, you risk weakening the structure. Too shallow, and the light won't shine through as intended. Strike a balance by gradually thinning the areas behind your designs until the candle glow is visible. But the holder remains sturdy. Smooth out any rough edges with sandpaper or a finer burr, ensuring your finished piece is comfortable to handle and visually appealing. Once your carving is complete, consider finishing touches to enhance both beauty and safety. A coat of heat-resistant sealant can protect wooden holders from the warmth of the candle, while a natural oil finish brings out the grain of the wood or the sheen of the stone. For added effect, use colored candles: orange for pumpkins, deep purple for bats, or eerie green for spiders. When lit, these candles will cast colored shadows through your designs, amplifying the Halloween atmosphere. Carved candle holders are more than just decorations. They're expressions of creativity and craftsmanship that invite admiration and spark conversation. As the night falls and your home fills with the warm glow of candlelight, these handcrafted pieces will illuminate not only your space but the spirit of the season. Whether you're hosting a festive gathering or enjoying a quiet evening, your carved candle holders will serve as enchanting reminders of the magic that happens when artistry meets tradition.